Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to make aluminium business cards. I ordered these from Amazon. I have two different thickness, 0.2 mm and 0.8 mm thick. I'm using my laser machine to carve logos to these cards and texts. I'm not a pro to use these machines, so I will put a link to this video description where you can find detailed infos how to use these kind of machines and how to use this program what I'm going to use. I tried lots of different settings. I made lots of different samples and I think finally I got quite good result. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do it. Just to make my life a little bit easier, I made a very simple jig out of MDF. Here I can install the card. It's always in the same place. It's very easy to change. When this is finished, I can just take it off and put the new card there, and this laser will always burn to the same location. Now I will open this software, LaserGRBL laser. Next I will connect this program to this laser. First I will adjust the highness of this laser that it will be sharp. And for this I made this kind of jig. And of course you have to adjust it when this card is there. I have these kind of sample cards which I can use for this kind of stuff. Here in the program, with these buttons I can move this laser module, and I will move it there next to the jig, like so. And some of these cards are a little bit bended, so just bend it a little bit. Okay, it's better. I'll put this in the middle. Oops. Just small tips I will go down. And using this jig I know that when it will touch it, then it's perfect. Like so. This jig I made earlier. I made lots of tests to get it perfect. Now the highness is right. Now I have to set the 0 point. In this jig what I made, I marked this 0 point here, so I will move this laser there. I will press this blink button so I will see where it is. I will just make it a little bit more smaller steps. Now it's pretty much perfect. Next I will press this 0 point button. Now the 0 point is saved. Wherever I will now move this thing, and I will press this home button, it will go back to this 0 point. Next I will make this template. I have here already template ready, and basically this is exactly the size of this jig what I have there, and this line, that's the size of the card. So I have here few samples what I made, like this one. I think we need this address, and this is basically what I'm now going to burn to this card, and that's going to be front side of this card. Next I will export this as a JPEG. That would be fine. I will put it here, card front, save it, and then I will go to this software. All is set, my 0 point is set. I will just open the file. With these settings I'm not going to do much. These are pretty much default settings. With the black and white picture it doesn't matter much, these brightness contrast. This I will leave to smooth. You can also adjust this one. Yeah, I'm not going to touch this one. Line to line tracing, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to dry these. Here I will leave this to horizontal. That's the only choice that I have in my machine, because for some reason if I will put this to vertical, this bottom here, it will move more and it will vibrate like crazy, and that's I don't know, is there something wrong or something, but if I will leave it to horizontal, only this will move much and this one only a little bit, it doesn't matter. So that's for me the only option here. Quality 10 lines per millimeter. I tried it with 8 lines and you can really see the difference. You can really see the difference. That's why I leave it to 10 lines. Maybe you could put even more, but I think with my machine it's not getting better. Maybe it will get even worse. I tried it with 8 lines and 6 lines and quality is not that good. So I will leave this to 10 lines per millimeter. This is ready. I will go to next. Engraving speed 1000 millimeters per minute. In my settings this is the maximum for this machine. Laser mode, there's 2 options, constant power and dynamic power. Dynamic power, it's better because it will automatically control this laser power. S-min I will leave to 0. I also tried this one, but I didn't see any noticeable difference if I will make it, for example, 25%. S-max, that's the power of the laser. I also tried this one in full power, which is 1000. I will leave it to 800. I got actually better result with this 800 than 1000, and also 800 is good because then this laser is not full power all the time, and that will also maybe give some more time to this laser. There's image size and position, 300 dpi. It should be that all the time because that's a good resolution, and that's of course the size of this file. Offset I leave to 0. When I now have this 0 point set, it should be already quite accurate. Okay, let's go to create. Now it's basically ready to burn, but before I will press this button here, I will check the frame. And even if I have the 0 point quite accurate, there's always a little bit that you have to adjust. So that's pretty easy. Before you press this frame button, don't put here empty clean card, because it will use the laser to show this frame and it will leave a mark. I'm using these kind of cards which I'm just doing some tests and stuff like that. Let's see, where is my glasses? I am using these kind of protection glasses and the laser is not so good for the eye. Next I will press this frame button and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, I can immediately see that it's a little bit, okay, it's actually pretty good. It was too much here. I will move this laser maybe 0.5 millimeter this way. 0.5 millimeter. And if I will now get the new 0 point, and I will do this frame again. Let's see. So it won't touch the wood. This upper part seems to be good. Here, ooh, it's getting very close. I will move it 0.2 millimeters back. And new home. Now it's going very close to this wood. Yep, now it is better. Location is right, everything should be right. Remember to take the sample card away and put the new fresh card. And now it's pretty much ready to burn. I will shut down this light. I don't know, does it affect anything? Okay, next is in the software. Here in the left corner there is play button and I will press it. It will calculate some estimated time. I think this card, it will take about 20 minutes. But we will see. So right now it doesn't look very impressive, but I was actually, when I did my first card, I was shocked at what this will help. Just a little bit of moist rag, and that's where the magic happens. It took 21 minutes. 21 minutes one side. I could maybe reduce some time with lower resolution, but I don't know, I don't want that. Okay, now you could just swap the card to a new blank card and make another card. But now I will do other side of this card. I will just go to this program and I will change this. Everything looks fine. And I will export this file the same way. Card back, save, yes. This software, open file, card back, open. Everything should be the same. I'm not even going to check the location because it should be fine. The file is basically the same. I will just press the run button. So, there you have it, aluminium business cards. Is it worth of this time what it takes to make one card? With these settings what I was using, 30 minutes, this one card. If I would need 1,000 of these, I wouldn't do with this machine. I would need a better machine, faster machine, or I would order these cards. But I don't need 1,000 of these, at least not now. I can make 10 today, I can make 10 more after 1 week if needed. It's not that you have to stand there and watch this all the time. You can put it on and when it's ready you can change the empty card there and press button and it will burn it. I like this. I think it's something special. I'm happy to give this kind of card to someone. It's special.